Hey everyone! So you're thinking about starting a blog or already have one and want to make some serious cash from it in 2025? You're in the right place. Here's your ultimate step-by-step guide to earning from blogging this year. First up, niche selection. Picking the right niche is crucial. Choose something you're passionate about but also has a good audience base. Think health, finance, or tech. These evergreen topics always have a loyal following. Next, let's talk about quality content. Content is king, folks. Make sure your blog posts are well-researched, engaging, and offer real value. Use SEO techniques to help your posts rank higher on Google. Keywords, meta descriptions, and backlinks can make a huge difference. Now, on to monetization. There are several ways to make money from a blog. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission on sale. Number 2, display ads. Sign up for Google AdSense or other ad networks to place ads on your blog. The more traffic you get, the higher your ad revenue. Number 3, sponsored posts. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products. Once your blog gains traction, you can charge for sponsored content. And finally, digital products. Ebooks, online courses, or memberships can bring in substantial income. Don't forget social media. Share your blog posts on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest to drive more traffic. The more eyes on your blog, the better. Also, email marketing. Build an email list and send out newsletters to keep your audience engaged. Offer freebies or exclusive content to encourage sign-ups. Lastly, consistency is key. Stick to a regular posting schedule and keep engaging with your audience. The more consistent you are, the more trust you'll build. And trust equals money. So there you have it. Your ultimate guide to earning from blogging in 2025. Start implementing these tips and watch your income grow. Happy blogging!